Digital transformation and DevOps are two powerful forces driving success in today's rapidly evolving business world. These concepts are reshaping the way businesses operate, innovate, and compete. They are not just buzzwords, but essential strategies for companies to stay ahead in the digital age. Embracing these methodologies can be the difference between thriving and merely surviving. Digital transformation empowers businesses to adapt and innovate, leveraging new technologies to streamline operations and enhance customer engagement, while DevOps enables them to deliver value faster and more efficiently by fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. Together, they create a powerful synergy that fuels growth, enhances customer experiences, and unlocks new opportunities. This combination is a game changer in the competitive business landscape. In this essay, we will delve into the importance of digital transformation and DevOps, examining their impact on modern enterprises, exploring their core principles, benefits, and how they work together to revolutionize businesses across industries, driving innovation and efficiency to new heights. Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business. It's a fundamental shift in how organizations operate, interact with customers, and create value. It's not just about adopting the latest technologies, it's about leveraging them to fundamentally change business models, processes, and culture. This transformation requires a cultural shift that embraces innovation, agility, and customer centricity. It involves breaking down silos, fostering collaboration, and empowering employees with the tools and skills needed to thrive in a digital-first environment. Digital transformation is an ongoing journey of continuous improvement, adaptation, and innovation. Several key principles underpin successful digital transformation initiatives. Customer centricity is paramount, with businesses prioritizing the needs and experiences of their customers. Data-driven decision-making is crucial, leveraging insights from data to inform strategic choices. Agility and speed are essential, enabling companies to adapt quickly to market changes. Collaboration and a culture of innovation are also vital, fostering cross-functional teamwork and encouraging experimentation. Real-world examples of digital transformation abound, from Netflix's disruption of the entertainment industry to Amazon's revolutionizing of e-commerce. DevOps is a set of practices and cultural philosophies that automate and integrate the processes between software development and IT teams. It aims to create a more collaborative and efficient workflow, enabling organizations to deliver software faster, with higher quality, and at a lower cost. DevOps emphasizes automation, continuous integration and delivery, and a culture of shared responsibility. This approach breaks down silos between development and operations teams, fostering collaboration and communication throughout the software development lifecycle. Section 5. The DevOps Advantage: Accelerating Digital Transformation Success. DevOps plays a crucial role in enabling and accelerating digital transformation initiatives across various industries. Its focus on speed, agility, and collaboration aligns perfectly with the core principles of digital transformation, making it an indispensable tool. DevOps enables organizations to respond rapidly to changing customer needs, deliver new features and services quickly, and experiment with innovative solutions without significant risks. By automating and streamlining the software delivery process, DevOps frees up valuable time and resources that can be directed towards innovation and strategic initiatives, driving business growth. This increased agility and speed are essential for businesses to thrive in today's dynamic digital landscape, where staying ahead of the competition is crucial for long-term success. Section 6. Reaping the Rewards: Benefits of DevOps in Digital Transformation. Implementing DevOps as part of a digital transformation strategy yields numerous benefits. Increased speed and agility enable organizations to deliver software updates and new features much faster, giving them a competitive edge. Improved quality is another significant benefit, as automation and continuous testing reduce errors and ensure high-quality software releases. Enhanced collaboration between development and operations teams leads to better communication, reduced silos, and a more streamlined workflow. Cost efficiency is also a key advantage, as automation reduces manual errors, streamlines processes, and optimizes resource utilization. Section 7. Best Practices, Navigating Your Digital Transformation and DevOps Journey. Successfully adopting digital transformation and DevOps requires a well-defined strategy and a commitment to change. Begin by establishing a clear vision and roadmap for your digital future. Foster a culture of collaboration, communication, and continuous improvement. Invest in automation tools and technologies to streamline processes and enhance efficiency. Focus on continuous learning and development to equip your workforce with the skills needed for the digital age. Measure and track your progress regularly, making adjustments as needed to ensure you're on track to achieve your goals. Section 8. Success Stories, Companies Winning with Digital Transformation and DevOps. Numerous companies across industries have successfully embraced digital transformation and DevOps, reaping significant rewards. Netflix, for example, leveraged cloud computing, DevOps practices, and a data-driven culture to disrupt the entertainment industry and become a global streaming giant. Amazon, another prime example, has used digital transformation and DevOps to optimize its e-commerce platform, personalize customer experiences, and dominate the online retail market. Spotify, the music streaming service, has also embraced these approaches to rapidly deliver new features, personalize recommendations, and enhance user experience. Section 9. The Transformative Impact, Shaping a Competitive Business Landscape. Digital transformation and DevOps are not merely technological implementations, they are the backbone of modern business evolution. They represent a fundamental shift in how businesses operate, innovate, and compete in the digital age, driving new levels of productivity and creativity. By embracing these concepts, organizations can unlock unprecedented levels of agility, efficiency, and customer centricity, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, businesses must adapt quickly to remain relevant. Digital transformation and DevOps will become even more critical for businesses to thrive and succeed, fostering innovation and resilience. Those who embrace these transformative forces will be well-positioned to navigate the complexities of the digital landscape, deliver exceptional customer experiences, and drive sustainable growth. They will shape the future of their industries, setting new standards and leading the way in a rapidly changing world.